the point at which you make that decision to change, to make that decision to take responsibility and ownership of your life, to make that decision to believe in something, to remove a barrier on your beliefs, to remove a limiting belief, to then start realizing you have got infinite potential and you can take massive action. You have the ability to do that. And if you don't, then get the skills you need here, right? And then it'll reinforce your results. You'll get massive results when you take massive action. And even if it's something small, it'll be massive to you because you've never done it before, right? That'll reinforce massive belief. That will reinforce the fact that you are infinite potential. But you have to do this. It starts with a decision. A decision is just a thought. A moment in time and space right now where I say, I decide right now. Because right now my life is going to change because I've decided I am going to take responsibility and ownership for my life and I am going to act towards whatever it is you want.